Okay friends, so here we are having our front page, which is our main page, that is so called as index page. So here we are having two options. First is login, and the second one is create an account if you don't have one. So if currently I am having my login ID, so we will log in as Ashika and Ashika. When we will log in, we will be redirected to our index page. So here we are having my username, and here we are having more option, with the help of which I can activate and deactivate any module. If I click on e-learning, then the module will be activated, and if I uncheck e-learning checkbox, then it will be deactivated. So here we are having Google search, email, e-learning, blog, SMS, news, feedback, and online job portal. So see, here we can give the feedback, as we always believe that your feedbacks are valuable to us. So please give us feedbacks if you have any. Okay, so by clicking all these modules, like all these buttons, we will be redirected to the respective modules. For example, if it's e-learning, then we will be redirected to the e-learning module, and so on. Okay friends, so this is our online learning module, which is so called as e-learning. This is our home page. Here a person can search for different files. For example, if a person wants to search for data compression, then he can type data compression and click on search, and he will get various links, with the help of which he can navigate to some other site. Cool. Okay, so our second is the exam updates. Here a person will get all the updates of exams like CAT exam, the last date of registration and all. This is the colleges, in which the person will get all the details of the colleges. This is the software link. This is the software's link, in which into which a person can get all the software links from where he can download it. Here there is a upload link. So here a person needs to browse the file, and suppose he is browsing file, and say the book title is data and the subject is programming. Here he can select the subject category, and then suppose let's okay, so here he can upload the file, and here he will get all the files for download. See, suppose if he is downloading this file, and so we can download it like this, and show my files. And show my files, the person will see all the files which he has uploaded till now. Cool. Okay, now download. Here a person can download a file, and after that he can attempt a quiz related to that file. So if a person clicks on attempt quiz, then he will get a quiz like this, and in which he can select an option. And on the other page, after clicking this button, okay, so after clicking this button, the person will be navigated, and he will be displayed the marks of it, and then here a person can ask a question, and okay, that okay. So friends, this is our blog module. Here, as you can see, here there is a home page, then we have messages, then settings, profile, help, and logout. When a user clicks on logout, he will be logged out from our blog module. So here there are a few options of uploading. From here a person can upload a text file. From here a person can upload a video file. From here he can upload a quote or a quotation, and etc. So let's check out for text. Okay, so this is too nice. Happiness is being stupid with friends. Nice. Here you can select your blog. There are two blogs currently, My Thoughts and Hello World. Let's give the title Happy Journey. Okay, so we have given a title called Happy Journey, and say the caption maybe good luck with your life. Okay, so post now, and your post will be posted. So in messages we can send a fan mail. Okay, so that's it in the blog. Okay, so this is our news module. As you can see here, we are having this different categories of news, that is business, education news, entertainment news, and if we click any one of them, then we will be navigated to another page, and we can see all the news, that is schools can prepare kids to report something. Okay, and if we click on any of the link, then we will be redirected to the original site from which that news was extracted, and we can see the detailed news of it. Okay, so this is it. Our news module is completed. Thank you for listening. Okay friends, so this is our job portal. Here if a person clicks on show job post, then we can see all the jobs which we are extracting from different sites, for example Naukri.com and all. And if we click on it, then the person will be redirected to that site. As we can see here, see we are having this Naukri.com, and we can see the job description, your key skills and all. Okay, so let's come to our website now. So this is another page in which we can select the job sector, and okay, so here we can select the field, and then we can if we click on search, then we can view all the skills and courses which will be required if a person wants this job. For example, if a person wants to go in system tester. Okay friends, so again I am here. First of all, this is our SMS module. Here you can see we are having a home page, then we have a create message tab, then we have sent messages. Here all the messages that are sent will be displayed. Here the contact name is displayed, whom you have sent the message, the time of message, and message sent, that is hey friends. Now if we will select it, then we will be able to view the message here. Salil Chauhan 8469510011 is the number on which I have sent the message hey friends, and if I click on forward, then this message will be copied in the create message. See here we have got hey friends. Okay, so here we are having two kinds of messages, send message to single user and send message to groups. So we can send message to a group also, and we can send message to a single user or number of users, we can say. So now I am having my address book. Here I can add contact, delete contact, add a group, add contact to a group, delete group, delete contact from a group, edit contact, and so on. Now I am having my drafts here. Drafts are the messages which we have saved but haven't sent yet, or we have sent it but we have saved them. Okay, so here also we are having two options, delete and select. If I delete the message, then that message will be deleted from here. Here we can see two options, that is saved message of single user and saved message of group user. So here the messages that is meant to be sent to a group user were saved, and here the single user messages will be saved. Okay, so okay, now in settings we have different options here: edit profile picture, edit name, edit phone number, edit email ID, and etc. So let's check out change profile picture. So we will choose file here first. Okay, so let's open it and let's click on upload. So here our profile picture will be changed. See, here the profile picture is changed, and if we go on the home page, then we can also see the changed profile picture here. So the profile picture is changed. And okay friends, so again I am here with our email module. See, this is our home. Here the username will be displayed, and here the person can view his or her profile picture. Since Ashika Gupta has set her profile picture as this, her profile picture is displayed here. Okay, so at compose, a person can compose the mail. Here there are various options like mark as read, delete all your mails, mark as unread, and all. And then we have sent mails. Here a person can view his or her mails which he has sent, and in inbox he can view all the mails which he has received. Then we have a drafts. Here also here we can view all the mails which a person has saved. Now let's see the contacts. Here a person can add a contact, delete contact, add group, add contact to a group, and various options. Okay, then we are having settings in which a person can edit his or her profile picture, edit name, edit phone number, edit email ID, etc. So thank you very much.